What's up guys, welcome back with a brand new video. Today we're gonna have a look at the brand new AirPods 3rd generation from Apple that was announced at the October event. I did order it last week and it finally arrived today on October 26th. By the time that you're watching this video, you can probably get this in store or online. Now of course I'm really excited to check these out and see how good they're going to be. This is going to be an unboxing, my first impression and hands-on of these AirPods 3rd generation. I'm gonna see how good they are going to be compared to the AirPods Pros. And of course these are going to have the redesign of the earbuds, which will be very similar to the AirPods Pro and of course to the AirPods 2. Similarly to the AirPods Pros, these are going to have the spatial audio feature. It's going to be great for those who want to experience the Dolby atmosphere at a more affordable price. Now other than spatial audio, battery life on these has been improved. You're getting approximately 6 hours per charge instead of the 5 hours traditionally on the AirPods 2s, and you're getting up to 30 hours of music time with a charging case instead of 24 hours on the AirPods 2s or AirPods Pros. Apple did announce that they have redesigned the drivers for better bass and sound quality, so we're gonna see how good this is going to be. Other than that, you're going to have adaptive EQ with the new charging case design and of course, like I said, better battery life. Other than that, Apple did announce that the charging case is MagSafe compatible, which means right now the charging case do have some magnets inside, which if you do have a MagSafe charger, you'll be able to charge these wirelessly. And just like the AirPods Pros, these are going to be IPX4 water resistant, which means that they're going to have splash resistant and also sweat resistant, which is going to be really nice for those who work out. So yeah, for $179, let's see how good these are going to be. I do have it right here, the brand new AirPods 3, and as you can tell on the front of the box, we do have the AirPods themselves, and we can actually feel the embossed bump on top of it, just like the previous AirPods Pros and of course the AirPods 2s. Now the first thing I realized when I got the package is that they do not come wrapped in a plastic. Instead, they do have these little pull tabs on the top and on the bottom. These are made of paper, and I understand that Apple is trying to save the environment and they're trying to reduce the use of plastic, but I did really enjoy the pull tab from the AirPods Pros. Another change we can see is on top of the box it says AirPods with the MagSafe charging case instead of the wireless charging case, just like the AirPods 2s. I'm going to show you guys right here. As you can tell, they've used a different word, and just like any other Apple products, on the side we do have the Apple logo. For the AirPods 3rd generation, some of these are actually made in China and some of these are made in Vietnam. The one that I got is actually made in Vietnam, which I don't mind at all. It's basically the same quality, but I just want to say that some of these, just like the AirPods Pros, are made in China and some are made in Vietnam. So anyways, here is the packaging, very similar to the AirPods 2s instead of the AirPods Pro. We can see that they have basically the same size. It's probably because these don't have the ear tips, that's why they are smaller. In the back we can also see that it has been redesigned. The charging case is not in the middle, it's more to the right side. We do have the Apple's trademark, some logos, and finally the two pull tabs. So yeah, let's check these out. These are the AirPods 3rd gen. We got the pull tab on each side. Really easy to pull them off. And here is the second pull tab. And there we go. That's it. The box is opened. Once again, I did prefer the pull tab more, but here we go. Let's open the box. Really easy to lift the box up. The first thing we'll see is the little pamphlet that says designed by Apple in California. And in the back we do have the little trademark. Inside right here, just like any other Apple's AirPods, we do have the user manual and the 3 other booklets. Inside the manual, let's have a quick look. We got the AirPods user manual right here that shows you how to use it. And right away we can see the AirPods 3rd generation inside the box. Let's just do a quick smell. Smells really nice. When you open an Apple product, it always smells so good. Anyways, back to the unboxing. Here are the AirPods 3rd generation wrapped in a plastic. Really nicely wrapped. Finally, inside the box you are going to have the charging cable, which is Lightning to USB-C. Finally, Apple has decided to remove the Lightning to USB-A, which possibly in the future, maybe in a few years, we're gonna go directly to USB-C to USB-C. So here are the AirPods 3rd generation wrapped in a plastic. Really high quality. Let's unwrap them. and here they are. So I've got to say, these are pretty small than I imagined. I expected these to be a little bit bigger, so of course we do have the LED diffuser in the front, just like the AirPods Pros. Very similar design to the AirPods Pros, but just a little bit shrinked on the length of this case. On the bottom, the lightning port. And in the back, we do have the metal hinge, and of course the design by Apple in California, assembled in China or in Vietnam. And of course on the back we do have the pairing button, which is fairly similar to the AirPods Pros. As you can see, I do have a MagSafe charger. These are going to have the same feature with the MagSafe charging case. As you can see, we got the magnets, and it's not going to fall if you do shake it, and that's pretty cool. And just like the rumors out there, these are going to be very similar to the AirPods Pros that I have right here. As you can tell, these are basically the same but without the ear tips. I do prefer the pressure control design of the AirPods Pros over the AirPods 2s. So yeah, let's connect the AirPods 3rd generation to your iOS device, and of course you will need iOS 15 for this to connect. I'm currently running on iOS 14.8, and as you can tell, I'm currently running on iOS 14.8. That's why it's asking me to update. For now, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to set up with limited functionality, and as you can see, it is connecting to my device. So once connected to the device, you can go to the Bluetooth connection and tap on I information. Just like in the AirPods, you can tap on the name to change the name to whatever you want. We also have the air detection, which you can turn it off. And then we got spatial audio. Let's test it out and see how good it's going to be. If you don't have the earbuds in your ear and you tap on it, it's not going to work. So let's put the earbuds in my ears. As you can see, they're connected. Now we can tap on to see how it works. And right now it's playing stereo audio. Sounds pretty good. Let's tap on spatial audio, and yeah, it definitely works. It's fairly similar like the AirPods Pros, but I can tell that the AirPods Pros do have a better fit in the ears because it's have a better seal. And right now I'm going to test out the sound quality of the AirPods 3rd generation and see how good these are going to be. Let's play some music. It's about 50% volume. Okay, so I gotta say that the AirPods 3rd generation do sound really good, really crispy sound, really nice bass, punchy bass in the instruments, real nice vocals. I mean, what do you expect? These are the AirPods from Apple. When Apple releases a product, it's always really great. I gotta say that these sound pretty similar to the AirPods Pros, but the difference that I can tell right away is that these don't have the passive noise cancellation, which blocks out your background noise. It's more like the AirPods 2s. You can hear your background, which is great for those who plan on exercising outside, go jogging, and you can actually hear your surroundings, people screaming, the cars, the traffic, which is great. If I'm shaking my head right now, it's not going to fall off. I do feel like these are a little bit more secured compared to the AirPods 2s, which I do prefer. So yes guys, this is my first impression and hands-on of the AirPods 3rd generation from Apple, and I've got to say, first impression is really good. Sound quality is amazing, really crispy sound in instruments, great bass. I went above 50% volume and it sounds even better. No muffleness, sounds really nice. I will have to do further testing for the sound quality and of course the spatial audio, and of course I'll be comparing to the AirPods Pro, so if you guys want to see that, make sure to stay tuned. But other than that, for $179, this is a pretty decent price for the AirPods 3rd generation with the MagSafe compatible case. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure to consider subscribing to the channel and also give a big thumbs up. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go.